Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now in this video I'm going to tell you how to import or how to add some external fonts to your Angular project. So that is very simple. I'm going to show you in this video. So what is this? This is my last project which I created. So this is very simple. It doesn't contain any content here. So I've just created some examples because in my last video I've showed you my routing part and hosting part. So because of that I've created some tags. So this is very simple. And first I'll show you like what are the standard fonts this Angular app like the inbuilt fonts what they have. Since I've given here the h1 tag, what I'll do is that I'll add some style for this h1 tag itself and I'll show you what are the fonts they have. So I'll go to this home component CSS. For adding style you have to give the tag name, and inside the flag bracket you have to add your style. So for now, since I want to add my fonts, what I'll do, I'll give a font family. I'll select font family. So inside you can see these are the inbuilt fonts which we have, but these are very standard. Like actually these are very okay, very perfect for the website, for the professional website. Like in case if you feel that these only these fonts are like boring and you want some other fonts to be imported, then it is very easy. I'll show you, but before let's just see what happens here. What are the fonts they have? See, I've selected some font, like some random font I've selected, and then if I run this, you can see what happens to this h1 tag. H1 is nothing but this welcome to the world line. So let's wait for it to run. And now let's copy this link and I'll paste it in my Google page. This welcome to the world has been like the font is very standard here, and you can see you can't change anything there, but you can only change is the font size. Like you want bigger, smaller, that one only you can change. But if you see the other font, wait, I'll show you the other font. See, now let me take this Cedar Sans, and then we'll see what happens to this welcome. See, now it has changed. So these are the standard fonts. So if you want any other font to be there, you just go to Google Fonts and then here click on the first link. This is very easy adding this. So what I'll do is that you can select any font you want. Like let's look for some attractive font. I think this will be good for now. So see, I've selected this. After that, you can see they only have shown the demo here as well. Like if it is in paragraph, how it looks. If it is very small, like if you keep 16 pixel and 21 pixel of font size, how it looks. So you can check for the examples here, and then you can pick your font. So now what happens is that so this is okay for me. Regular 400 is okay for me. So what I'll do, I just select my regular 400 and just click on this. Here you can see you have this link. We have this link here. So just copy this link. Copy this full link. then go to your Angular project and go to index.html. Here what you do, after this, you give this link, you just paste this link. That's it, we are done. Now for styling, like since you have here you have given the other font name and all, you have to give this font name here as well, no, for the styling part. So what I'll do is that if you go still more down, you can see this font family. So what I'll do, you can select any of these you want. So I'll select the first one. Actually, we can select the second one because you can see the name of this font is Pacifico. So I'll select the second one, this font family Pacifico, and I'll copy this, go to my project, and here I'll remove this, I'll paste my new font, font family. I'll paste my new font, and then let's see the difference here. What happened? Okay. See, you got your new font here. You might have the doubt, like if I give some other tags, like some other sentences or header tags, what happens? I'll show you that also. See, only for H1 tag I have added this font family, but let's see what happens if I'll add the other tag like H2. I'll add, and I'll give something like hello. I'll give, and now let's see what happens here. See, this is normal because we have not given any font style for this, so this is very normal. Now if I go again and if I give the style for this H2 tag, same way you have to give H2, and I'll just copy this and paste. Or else what you can do, you can even check the other two fonts which we had. So I'll just select the first one, that is the dancing script, and I'll just check it what happens now. Here I'll give this font family. Now let's see what happens. Yes, see, this is quite not so bold as this. This is quite thinner and it looks okay, no problem. So it looks fine. So this is the way how you have to select your fonts. So there are many fonts here. There are many. You can select as well as according to the languages as well. There are many fonts here. Yes, you can select according to your pixel as well, what pixel you want. So the 40 was only good. If you select the other things, it would be bigger. And you can change the size, the font size you can change in your CSS style sheet itself. So that's okay, that's very easy. And yes, you have many things here. You can search for your fonts as well, like if you have any, if you've seen any font somewhere else and you want that same font here in your website as well, you can search here. That is okay. So see, you have many fonts here. Some other languages are also there, so don't worry, you can do it. It's very simple. So now I've shown you how to add the other fonts, other cursive fonts or any other fonts into your Angular project. And yeah, thank you for this video. I'll come with you in my next video. Okay, thank you.